Sir, hi, sir. My name is Evin Raj, Analaki Johnson Raju. Sir, this assignment is for organization behavior, sir. As I told you earlier through WhatsApp. Sir, thank you for your time for giving me this interview. Okay, sir. Sir, can you introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, I'm Muilan. I'm managing this KBL Global Resources since 2018. And yeah, that's me.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I ask you a few questions, sir, regarding for the
Can
subject, sir? Okay, sir. Sir, about motivation, what strategies do you use to motivate your team, sir? Or like, can you give or share an example on how you have successfully motivated an employee?
Okay, I motivate my employees is I give them uh, advice and I let them to handle any situation by themselves. So from that, they will learn their mistakes and they know what to do. So they will be motivated through that.
Okay, sir. For the next one is about group or team dynamics. Okay, how do you ensure effective teamwork within your team, sir? And what challenges have you faced in managing them? And how did you address them?
Can you repeat the question? Sorry, it's not clear.
Okay, it's about group teamwork dynamics. Okay, sir. It's like how do you ensure effective teamwork within your team, sir? Like what are the challenges you have faced, sir? Like when you're managing them.
Okay, for the teamwork, I will ensure every month or 2 months once there will be a team building in my company so that be they can learn what others have to do and they need to do. The challenges are as usual. The challenges is making them attend to the team building. That's the only challenge. If they attend that and they go through that, the team building, their team will be very good.
Okay, sir. Now regarding on the communication, sir. What communication method do you find most effective in your organization? Like, how do you handle communication breakdown or conflicts, sir?
Okay. So far, I didn't identify or notify such communication breakdowns. I communicate with my employees with WhatsApp calls. So for me, meeting is the best communication method. Just do a meeting 2 or 3 days once. So you and your employees will know what to do, how to do, and what's going on in the company. So communication skill is very important. Just conduct meetings to better the communication skills.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, for the next one is decision making. Can you describe your decision making process or how do you involve your team in decision making, sir?
Okay. In a particular situation, if you need to do any important decision, you have to communicate with your team. You have to take their thinking, their what to say. You have to take their decisions also. Let them talk. See what is important and logically binding your situation. Logical decisions is the best decisions for me. So just take everyone's decision. You think which one is logically and which one is actually binding to your work. Make that decision. So through this, your group can think, you can think, and the company can grow.
Okay, sir. How about organization culture? Like, how will you describe your organization culture, and what steps do you take to maintain or improve your organizational culture?
Okay, just I'll say like this now. This culture should be good and healthy to communicate within your team and you. So just like I said just now, I will just conduct team buildings monthly or weekly. I'll conduct meetings. We must talk to each other. Or if you want to describe my office culture in one word, it's friendliness. You should be friendly to your employee, and your employee should be friendly to your employer. So that makes the company strong, the decision making strong, the culture strong.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, last but not least, sir, it's about leadership. Okay. What is your leadership style, and can you give like any example of leadership challenges that you have faced and how you overcome it, sir?
Okay. My style of leadership is you should not say you should not direct your employees.
Hmm.
You should say, come, let us do this. You have to go with them and do the things with them. You have to motivate them. You have to. So that's the thing. As a challenger, as a leader, not so. Uh, just making them combine and do activities with you is a big challenge actually. Other than that, there's no any particular situation for me to prove my leadership.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. That's it from me. Sir, you got any question to ask me?
So far, no. Good luck for your studies and your project. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And once again, sir, thank you so much for this interview session. It really means to me a lot. Take care, sir. Meet you soon in person.
Thank you. Thank
All
you.
right,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Take
Thank you.
care. So, hi, sir. My name is Evin Raj Analaki Johnson Raju, sir. I'm from MSU. This interview purpose is for the assignment for organization behavior, sir. Okay. That's me, sir. If you don't mind, can you introduce yourself, sir?
Hello, my name is Kishore. So basically, I run a company. So I'm a manager in that company. So basically, the work that I'm doing is mostly about agriculture. Okay, so anything you want to ask about agriculture?
Okay, sir. Nothing more to agriculture. Okay. As
Okay,
I told you earlier, there are questions more to organization behavior, where
okay,
as you working as a manager there, like
okay.
how do you like motivate okay, regarding on motivation, sir. Okay, what are the strategies do you use to motivate your team, and can you share an example on how you have successfully motivated an employee, sir?
Usually in my companies, I because there are some companies they will like give very heavy pressure work all everything. For my company, I like make it very simple. I motivate most of my workers are like must work. Don't work hard, work smart. Something like that. And also pressure is every company we do. We have pressure, but in our company, basically, it's very simple. If you are feeling like more pressure, this one I'll give motivate. Make your mind free before you're doing any work. Make sure you make your mind free. Don't overthink a lot. Just if you're feeling very tired, there's always a place there you can rest. After rest for a few hours, then you can come back. You can continue your work. There's no limit of. I don't stress my workers on. I let them free. This is how I motivate my workers.
Okay, sir, that's nice. Okay, Sir, now it's more to grouping and team dynamics. Okay, how do
Okay.
you ensure effective teamwork within your team, sir? Like, what challenges have you faced in managing team dynamics, and how did you address them?
If when it comes about group means, because in nowadays currently about groups is very difficult because some have their communication problem and also they don't understand each other. Before I like conduct this group thing, I always will tell to my workers or my the people all I like before you doing anything group, make sure you all guys hang out for a while and understand each other. Because it's very important when it comes to group, is actually a very important thing. Because some people they don't understand each other how like a person A will never understand person B. So understand if now the project is going to happen next week, in that 1 week, please do understand each other and talk, try to get along everything. Then because if you know each other means it's actually a very easy thing. So you won't be when it comes to the project time, no one will be like confused. So you all understand each other. Then when it comes to project, you all can be the communication is actually very the main playing part is the communication. Huh?
Okay, sir. Now, regarding on more detail on communication, what communication
Okay.
method do you most find is effective in your organization? Like, how do you like handle communication breakdowns or conflicts among your employees, among you and your employees, or your employees alone?
Because my employees mostly their communication is like they are actually some of them are lack of communication because the language barrier should be. So for me, it's like language barrier is it's actually a main part, but for them is what is comfortable. Let them they have to. If like example, if the client is they want to talk in English means I will have one per like there are some people who are very good in English, some people are very good in Malay. So I will choose usually because I don't want my company to have bad reputation actually. So I will like people that anyone we're going to talk to about communication means like if example that team want to like the person going to come and ask anyone, so they ask they want to talk in it, find anyone who's good in proper English. So I'll bring the person who's very good because in my company there's a lot of language barrier. So some people are good in talking in Malay, some people are talking in English. So it's actually a very big main. It made a main role play lah. So I have to choose lah actually. But actually, it's nothing wrong. Language is always the second thing, but there are some things we have to learn. So
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, okay, now is on decision making. Can you like
okay.
describe your decision making process and how do you involve your team in this decision making?
Like example, like decision making means like what I mean about project or like something.
Oh, okay, like okay, example, you are doing some okay, example on agriculture, all right? Okay,
Okay.
you plan to harvest some new stuffs. Okay, so that is
Okay.
your decision making, correct? So like how
Yes.
you bring along with your team on your decision making.
First, usually like other companies, there some managers they treat their this one the workers are like really a worker, but in my this one everyone is equal. So when I comes, I always be very friendly to my workers also. So like if any decision making because to tell honestly nowadays youngsters are more far they are more smarter than me because why I'm old enough because I'm already manager. So they are old enough for them is new because they think very smart. So if I got even as a manager, so I will have this proper and cons. So anything the mistakes that I wouldn't do means I'll ask my decision to them also. Is it this is the correct way for me to do or not? Because they are more smarter than us. So whenever any problem that I want to face through, if any decision that I want to make means I'll ask them, is it okay or not? I'm going the correct way or not? Because anything that we never learned before when I was young, working in the same position how my workers now working, I have worked before. So there are no proper guidance for me because I work in a corporate company. So like this one you have to do this one. A means you have to do A, B means you have to do B. So no one is there for me to give me a decision that you should do this and do that. So that mistake I don't want to do for my others worker. So anything decision making means I'll bring my team inside. So they will sit and talk everything. Then they will let me know. If they don't know anything, then I also will teach them something like that. We like be very friendly and get to know something like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, now the following question. what about organization culture? Like, how will you describe your organization culture, and what
Okay.
step do you take to maintain or improve the organization culture, sir?
Organization's culture is actually is about agriculture, or you are telling general something?
It's about general organization culture. Like, what is your like work environment culture like how you maintain or improve them?
Actually, my working style of agriculture is actually it's actually very it's a normal thing. It's very normal company only, like not like a computer you're sitting like it's like an office. No, there's everything there, like a bean bag for you to rest. There are games there, so you can work there. Like whenever you're feeling very boring or you're very tired, because every human need a brain to rest. Because I understand, because when I working in a corporate company, there are no this such thing of bean bag or this games all to play. So like my organization culture is very simple. It's like a bit free flow, but work must be done. You have to send this document in this time. In this time you have to send, because for me punctuality is very very important. So on the time, if you can finish the thing, you can rest, no problem, because there are no because we our brain we need rest. So our culture is actually a very happy going type of culture, actually.
Okay, sir. Nice to hear that, sir. Sir, last question, sir. It's about leadership. Okay, what is your leadership style, and can you give any example? Like, can you give example to me? Like, um, what are the challenges you faced and how you overcome it? Maybe I can use this for my future takings, sir.
Challenges that I face, the most thing that I challenges is that I've been as to tell honestly, we all human, we always will have the word of lazy.
Mm.
Okay, the word of lazy is that everyone's life is there. One more thing, I did a mistake. Actually, to tell honestly, I should be a CEO as a company, but unfortunately, I'm a manager, because when I was working time, the word of lazy is actually it played in my life a very big thing, because I was a lazy worker also. So one particular time, the lazy worker also, some particular thing, it spoiled my career a bit. So for the youngsters that I want to say, like, can be lazy, but don't be very lazy, because sometimes lazy can also play the main part when you work in any company also, not in agriculture, in any style also, even logistic or any company or any everywhere company, the same thing. The main play the main part is don't be lazy. If can means, for my idea for giving for youngsters means, don't work hard, work smart. That's all.
So this is your leadership style, sir.
Yes, don't work hard, just work smart.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir,
Okay,
for your time. Sir,
no
you got any
problem.
question to ask me?
So now, what course are you studying?
Now I'm studying organization behavior, sir. This is about
Okay.
basically about the whole question I asked, sir, motivation,
Okay.
grouping, communication, and all, sir. We studied it during class, so this is assignment on it, sir, for us to go deep more. Mm.
Okay. One more thing I want to say. Please work or study the course that you like. Don't don't over, like, because of this line, this like example agriculture, this line you can earn money, because don't have the option. If you love, it's not necessary for you to love agriculture or logistics. There are other courses also, like IT, when it comes to hospital, doctors, all everything. Love, actually for youngsters, like, love the subject that you can do, work hard, work smart, then go for it. That's all. This is only for youngsters. That's all I can say.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for
Okay,
your words. Okay, sir.
no problem.
Okay, I would like to end the session here. Sir, thank you so much once
Okay,
again for giving me the
no problem. Thank
opportunity to interview you, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you so much,
thank
sir.
you. Have a good day, Evin.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. My name is Evin Raj, Analaki Johnson Raju. I'm a MSc student, as previously I told to you via WhatsApp. Sir, thank you for this interview session. Okay, sir, this is for a subject for organization behavior, sir. Okay, and sir, if you don't mind, can you introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, hi Evin. Okay, thank you. First of all, thank you to welcome me. Okay, my name is Dinesh. Okay, I got few staff that working under me. Okay, their job scope, make sure that my sales are getting better and pull some customer to get my sales increase. And yeah, the major job is I'm currently doing a consultation on computer services and selling some few laptops and refurbished units. So yeah, these are my main business currently. So I'm the one of the main lead also to that company.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, now, if you allow, can I ask you some questions, sir, regarding this organization behavior, sir? As I mentioned.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Regarding motivation, what strategies do you use to motivate your team, sir?
Okay. My main task is like I ask them to I will create a positive work environment, which is like I strive to create a supportive and do a collaborative work environment which where everyone feel comfortable and contributing their ideas and opinions. I let them I will create a space to them to speak out in a lot of way. Yep. And also I will do a recognition and give a reward, which is like I acknowledge and appreciate my team members who are contribute in all the task. And even though it's a small task or major task, so it's going to give a positive reinforcement, boost moral and motivations to them. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Regarding your team, I mean group dynamics, okay, how do you ensure this teamwork effects within your team, sir? I mean, how do you ensure effectiveness teamwork within your team?
Okay. First of all, at here, I'll make sure each and every staff should understand their job role and their responsibility. So each and every time they should know what's their job they're going to do in daily routine. So I will ensure that everyone understand their role and how it contributes to the team's overall goals. This going to prevent misunderstanding and conflict.
Okay, sir, I understand. Okay, sir. Now regarding communication, okay, sir, how do you handle communication breakdowns or conflicts among your team members or among you and your, I mean, your staffs?
Yeah. Basically, I will do a one-to-one meeting by weekly. I will held a meeting weekly once, which is I schedule with my team member to discuss their progress and providing us feedback and address their any issues that they're having going that they are getting faced.
Understand, sir. Okay, sir. Now regarding the organizational culture, right? How will you describe your organization culture, and like what steps do you do in order to maintain or improve the organizational culture?
I would say like living by example. So which is like living by example means like I would maintain, which is like demonstrating their values and behavior that I expect from my team lah. So another thing also like I will promote a culture of diversity and inclusions of fostering a welcoming and respectful environment for all employees.
Okay, sir. So last but not least, okay, sir, it's about leadership. Okay, what is your leadership style? Can you like give an example of leadership challenges that you face, sir, for like to overcome in any certain way?
Okay. You see, my leadership style is like I'm also result oriented and focused on achieving our team goals. Okay, so it's like one leadership challenge that I faced was managing a team member who was struggling with motivation. To overcome this, so I took the time to understand their underlying concerns and provide their necessary support and guidance. So which is like, so I also offer them an opportunity for professional development and growth, which help to reignite their passions for their work.
Okay, sir. That's it for from my side question. Sir, you got like any questions to ask me, sir?
For my part, that's all.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you for understanding, and thank you, lastly, for giving me this opportunity to interview, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, Evin.
All right, sir.
Thank you.